In this video, I have prepared for you 3 exercises to practice the conjugation of the regular IR verbs. Before every exercise, I will give you some instructions. On this slide, you can see the verbs with which we are going to work today. The verb escribir means to write, decidir means to decide, abrir means to open, vivir means to live, recibir means to receive. Now you can see the first exercise. In this exercise, you should try to conjugate the verb decidir. So please pause the video and try to conjugate this verb. When you are ready, check then the results with me. Now you can see the conjugated forms of the verb decidir. Decido, decides, decide, decidimos, decidis, deciden. The verb decidir means to decide, and we have to remove the ending ir. Then we have the stem decide, and we have to add these following endings: o, s, e, imos, is, n. Let's move to the second exercise. In this exercise, you should fill in the correct verb forms. So please pause the video and try to do this exercise. When you are ready, check then the results with me. Let's check your results. Yo and the verb vivir. So we have to remove the ending ir. Then we have the stem viv. And we have to add the new ending o. So the correct form is yo vivo. Then ella and the verb escribir. So again, we have to remove the ending ir. Then we have the stem escribe. And we have to add the ending e. So the correct form is ella escribe. Then tu and the verb recibir. So again, we have to remove the ending ir. Then we have the stem recib. And we have to add the new ending s. So the correct form is tu recibes. Then nosotros and the verb abrir. So again, we remove the ending ir. Then we have the stem abr. And we have to add the new ending imos. The correct form is nosotros abrimos. Then ellos and the verb decidir. So again, we remove the ending ir. We have the stem decid, and we have to add the new ending n. So the correct form is ellos deciden. Then vosotros and the verb vivir. So again, we have to remove the ending ir. Then we have the stem viv, and we have to add the new ending is. The correct form is vosotros vivís. And then yo and the verb escribir. So again, we have to remove the ending ir. Then we have the stem escrib, and we have to add the ending o. So the correct form is yo escribo. Yo vivo means I live. Ella escribe means she writes. Tu recibes means you receive. Nosotros abrimos means we open. Ellos deciden means they decide. Vosotros vivís means you live. Yo escribo means I write. Let's move to the last exercise. In this exercise, you should try to translate these phrases. So please pause the video and try to translate them. When you are ready, check then the results with me. I receive means yo recibo. He writes means él escribe. She lives means ella vive. We decide means nosotros decidimos. They open means ellos abren. You live means tú vives. We write means nosotros escribimos. I decide means yo decido. In Spanish, it's not common or even required to use the personal pronouns. It means that the correct answers will be also recibo, escribe, vive, decidimos, abren, vives, escribimos, decido. I hope you have done all these exercises without any mistakes. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you liked it, so please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.